Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. Something as simple as this car mount can make your life so much easier. So this APPS2Car suction car mount has been a big help, especially when we've been driving. So we chose to use this suction mount on the windows, and it has a really good seal. It's very firm. It was easy to install. So all you had to do was just attach this little mount with a twist knob. Once it was attached, it moves in and out with ease. The cushioning support works really good, keeps it in place. It's easy to use. You just close it to use it. You can turn it in any direction that you need to look at it. And then whenever you want to release it, you just pop the button and out comes the phone. It also has this really cool extra feature that if you want to adjust it, you just turn a knob to be able to lift it up and down and then tighten it when you're done. This car mount has been durable, reliable, it doesn't shake and shift around, and I also like how it has another option that if you want to be able to use this tab to be able to put it on your dash, you can use that and it will keep it stable. So if you're looking for a really good product, I have really liked using this. It's made things so much easier for me, especially when I'm driving, and that is just my point of view.